Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and take off the case so nothing shifts. Use a soft cloth on a flat surface. This prevents scratches. Gently warm the protector edges with a hairdryer on low for about 10-15 seconds to soften the adhesive. Hold 6-8 cm away so you don't overheat the lens. Once done, press lightly to check for lift. If you feel any edge raise, stop heating and move to the next step to peel slowly. You now lift one corner with a fingernail, adhesive tape tab, or a plastic pry pick. The why is simple. Starting at a corner reduces stress across the protector. Peel at a low, shallow angle and keep a steady, slow motion so the adhesive releases evenly. If it's stubborn, pause and reheat briefly before continuing. Make sure you do not touch the bare lens glass. Keep a microfiber cloth nearby to cover the area immediately after the protector is removed. Once the protector is off, clean the lens with 70% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth. Wipe in gentle circular motions to remove oil and residue. Make sure to inspect for scratches. If present, consider replacing the protector or lens surface. If adhesive spots remain, apply a tiny amount of adhesive remover on the cloth and dab, then reclean with alcohol and let dry before reapplying a new protector.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.